How's it going, my beardless brethren? Sorry, I was just, horsing around. Do you know what today is, my beardless brethren? Kyle. Okay. If you don't have a beard, you're not allowed.
I have like a little fuzz. Does that count?
Go away. Apparently Kyle heard me screaming, "How's it going, my beardless brethren?" all the way upstairs. Listen, I have no shame about being excited to say hello to you. Now, my beardless brethren, do you know what today is? It is not the day to see inside my shower, you weirdo. Today is the day where I give you another update on my facial hair. It's no special day. I mean, it's a Monday. You're gonna be watching this on Tuesday. So, what's new, huh? You're so funny. I feel like we're really getting to know each other. It's like we're on a date. Except you came here to see my facial hair, and I'm here for a good time. I don't have a lot of friends. No surprise. So I have some really exciting news, but you're not gonna find it out until later this week. So get excited, okay? But don't ask questions, or I'll kill you. In the horse mask. I will tell you this. This week I will start dermarolling, and I'm gonna let you know how it works for me. But stay tuned to this channel because I have some exciting information coming later this week and you're not gonna wanna miss it. So I'm here to tell you what's going on in the world of my facial hair. The ends of my mustache are almost long enough that I could probably twist it up into a handlebar mustache. That would be fun. My dad saw my facial hair for the first time like a week or two ago, and he hands me a wipe and says, "Get that off your face." So, he must have liked it. But Grandma likes it, and how Grandma feels determines how the rest of the family feels, so I'm feeling confident. I think it's about time that I show you my facial hair. Come here, you. No, don't run! Stay with me. It's safe with me.
I will protect you.
There, that's all better, isn't it? Now come look at my facial hair. I don't notice a ton of new growth, but I still see it coming in the connectors and in the bald spot under my chin especially. It's really weird that the left connector has more hair than the right one, so it looks kind of like I have a shadow on my left side and not my right, so it's kind of weird. I'm not really sure where to go from here with the facial hair style. If you guys have any comments or suggestions, please let me know. I'm really liking the length for the sides and under the chin so I can actually put minoxidil on without worrying about it getting all over my hair instead. I'm still seeing a ton of vellus hairs and not really a lot of growth on the upper cheeks area where I'd really like to see some. Right now it feels like my beard doesn't go high enough on my cheeks, but hopefully soon it will do so. I'm still learning how to line things up. I'm not the best at it, but getting better every time I try. That's my facial hair at 24 weeks. I'm getting so dang close to 6 months. It's really weird because it does not feel like it's been almost 6 months. I mean, it feels like it's been a long time, but when I think about 6 months versus this time, it feels weird. At the same time, it feels sometimes like it's been 2 years because every night I'll take a flashlight and I'll look in the mirror and see, have I grown more hair? This is the fun part about documenting my journey on video. When I go back and I look at 13 weeks and then 17 weeks and now it's like completely different facial hair. I'm thrilled, I'm pleased. I've always wanted facial hair and now I've actually got something to show for myself, so hey, minoxidil works. If you need minoxidil, lotion, or various other things, I have links below to what I recommend, and if you use that link, then I get a small commission, which really helps me out. Guys, get excited about the announcement this week. Are you excited? You're not excited?
Be excited or die.
Or, you know, just like pretend you're excited. I've actually started a schedule now for YouTube, thank goodness. I'll be uploading weekly updates on Tuesdays, and on Saturdays I'll be uploading minoxidil FAQ videos. My hope is maybe to move to 3 videos a week, and I'd like to start doing some reviews of some kind. Who knows, that'd be fun. If you think it'd be fun, let me know. I always love hearing from you guys, so leave a comment below. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you want to follow the rest of my journey. I upload frequently asked question videos and tutorials as well. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button or use my demon voice to blow your socks off. Both of them. That's all I got for you. I hope you've enjoyed your time here. I always do. I'll see you guys on Saturday. Bye-bye.